Hello mga kamatinik! Welcome again here to Math YT channel of Coach Mike. At first glance at this expression, 13 minus 3 times 4 divided by 2, it seems the answer is 20, right? Because 13 minus 3 is 10, times 4 is 40. Then, divided by 2 is 20. But, it is not. Are you in shock? Stay tuned to find out the correct answer. So, in order for us to solve this expression correctly, we must remember and follow one rule. That is M dash. With that knowledge in mind, we will start from left going to the right. Consequently, according to the rule, we will do first the operation of multiplication, which is 3 times 4. And the product is 12. So now we have 13 minus 12 divided by 2. Next, should we do subtraction or division first? MDAS rule states that it should be division first before subtraction. So, we will do 12 divided by 2 first, which equal to 6. Finally, we only have 13 minus 6, which is equal to 7. So, the correct answer is 7 and not 20. Alright? That's it for today mga kamatinik. See you all on the next math lesson. Bye-bye. God bless. To God be all the glory.